There are many different animals on the island of Sodor. There are deers in the forest, cows and sheep at the farm, and many beautiful birds. One morning, the Fat Controller came to see the engines at Natford's shed. "A party of bird watchers are coming from far and wide," he said. "They have come to go on a tour of different types of birds all over the island." Emily was excited. She was hoping she could be taking the bird watchers, but the Fat Controller chose Boko. "Emily," said the Fat Controller, "a train of stone trucks from the Farquhar Quarry Company is waiting at Elsbeth Junction. You will pick it up and deliver it to Brandon Docks before the boat sails for the mainland." The Fat Controller left. Emily felt very disappointed. "I wish I was taking the bird watchers," she sighed, and puffed sadly away. On her way to Elsbridge, Emily met Lady. "Hello, Emily," whistled Lady. "I'm on my way to collect the milk tankers from Farquhar and take them to the dairy." "Well, I'm collecting stone trucks and take them to Brandon Docks," said Emily. "Well, good luck, Emily," tooted Lady, and puffed away. When Emily arrived at Elsbridge Station, she was surprised to see a man stood alone on the platform. He was a foreigner and spoke in a different language. Her driver tried to speak to him carefully. "This man is a foreign bird watcher," he said to Emily. "It seems that he had missed Boko's train for the tour." "Then we must take him to catch up with the other bird watchers," wished Emily. "I've plenty of time before I take the stones." Her driver agreed, and the bird watcher climbed aboard and they set off. Emily arrived at Crossburn in no time at all, but Boko and the party of bird watchers have already gone. The station master came up. "Boko have already taken the bird watchers to Gordon's Hill," he told Emily. "Then we better catch up to Boko right away," whistled Emily, and she set off for Gordon's Hill at once. "You'll soon be with the other bird watchers, sir," puffed Emily to the foreign bird watcher. Emily was so excited that she had forgotten about the trucks full of stone. Meanwhile, Lady was on her way to the dairy with the milk tank. When Lady arrived at Elsbeth Junction, she was surprised to see Emily's stone trucks were still waiting in the siding. "Oh dear," thought Lady. "If the boat sails without the stones, Emily will be in trouble." So Lady decided to help Emily. She buffered up to the trucks and puffed away. Lady got to the docks just in time. The stone trucks were uncoupled and Lady set off again for the dairy. She felt very tired. Boko was at the bottom of Gordon's Hill with the other bird watchers when Emily steamed in. The foreign bird watcher climbed down and rejoined with the others. "Thank you, Emily," hooted Boko, and set off for the rest of the tour. Emily felt very pleased. "I hope the foreign bird watcher would enjoy the rest of his trip," she thought to herself. Suddenly, Emily remembered the trucks of stone. "Bless my buffers!" cried Emily. "I forgot!" So she raced back to Elspeth as fast as she could. But the stone trucks were not there. "Where are they?" she gasped. "I must find them quickly." But Emily couldn't find her trucks. She found Lady. She was in a siding, and she had not taken the milk tankers to the dairy. "I've took your stone trucks to Brendam," puffed Lady, "but now I've run out of coal." Emily felt bad, and she explained what had happened. "So I took the foreign bird watcher to catch up with Boko and the other bird watcher," she said. "I'm very sorry, Lady. Can I take the milk tankers to the dairy for you, please?" "Yes, thank you, Emily," agreed Lady. Emily delivered the milk tankers to the dairy in no time at all. Then she pushed Lady to the coal bunker. The next morning, the Fat Controller came to see Emily. He had heard about Emily helping the foreign bird watcher, but Emily was still worried. "I'm sorry, sir," she said nervously. "I should have done my job first." "Lady told me how you helped that foreign bird watcher when he missed his tray, and you helped her delivering the milk tankers to the dairy as well," said the Fat Controller. "Helping people out is always important. Well done, Emily. I'm very proud of you." "Oh, thank you, sir," smiled Emily. "And thank you, Lady, for doing my job for me." "That's all right, Emily," tooted Lady. "Friends always help each other out." Emily couldn't agree more.